What's going on, y'all? I thought I'd update you on what I've been working on in the garage for the past couple weeks. I've been working on this thing for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I had the Sidewinder frame. It had a Briggs & Stratton 18 horse on it, and it's been sitting in the back for a long time. I tried to get that 18 horse running, and it was blown up. Piston was busted. Walls were scraped up. So I threw it out and was just waiting for a cheap Briggs & Stratton to show up, but it never did. So I bought a Snowmobile, a VMAX 600, and went ahead and put that engine on this thing. So I've made the mounts. I mount everything up. I got the electronics good enough for the time being. You can see there's a rat's nest of electronics that aren't hooked up. But exhaust pipe still needs hooked up because I think I'm gonna flip it this way. It's really the only way that fits. So it's gonna be right next to your face, which isn't ideal, but there's nothing else I can really do unless I stick it out. But it'd hang out so far because this engine already hangs out a ton. So I think I'm gonna go up with that. But I got the Speedo's all good. The RPMs work, but the speedometer doesn't work. It needs the cable, but it plugs in a weird gear ratio off that thing, so I gotta connect it to this. And then I went with the Polaris radiator. I got this thing on Facebook with the fan. It's got a new fan on it, which I haven't plugged in. It doesn't work. Got to figure out how to wire that up. But it seems like a good enough radiator. If it doesn't work, I got a heat sensor on this. It'll show us that it's running hot. So we'll either have to upgrade the radiator or get the fan working. Here's my oil for now. It's just to show that it runs pretty much. I gotta reroute that. That's a mess because everything's sitting so close in here. I gotta make a bunch of guards and stuff like that. Put an air box on. Needs the air box. I think I got that though under there somewhere. The garage is a mess, by the way. I haven't really cleaned up since working on this thing. But I'm gonna have to jack this thing up to run it. The belt's too tight. So instead of moving that jack shaft back, I'm just gonna jack it up to show you all how this thing runs. It's gonna rip. I'm really excited to see this thing run, or see this thing. Actually, I'm excited to drive this thing, but it has no brakes yet. Obviously, couldn't put those on. So I got to put those on before it runs. Before it rides. But today's the first day that this thing is run, so I'm so excited, and I'm gonna start this thing up and show y'all. But choke doesn't really work, so I just pull it till it starts. Hopefully that works. Kill switch is off. Switch works. So I wish I had springs to hold this exhaust pipe on, because that thing got hot pretty much immediately. A little residual smoke coming off. So yeah, you guys can see it runs pretty well. For the 10 seconds I had that thing running, that exhaust pipe that I was holding on got smoking hot, and without it, it runs a little rough. But other than that, with the exhaust pipe hooked on, that thing, it rips. It's gonna move. I appreciate y'all for watching. Next video, I'm gonna hook up the throttle, brakes, and actually get a thing for that oil and mount up this exhaust pipe. So hopefully it runs better, sounds better, and hopefully this thing absolutely rips. So y'all stick around for that, and thank you for watching.